Hi and welcome. Today we are looking at the DEPSTECH. This is a professional industrial endoscope. As you can see, it has a long cable, semi-rigid as they say, and it's a full HD camera. Actually, there are 3 cameras in the front and sides. It has a built-in speaker as well. This is the DS530, and it has one of these devices, and that's the 5 inches IPS screen on it. Blue Art 3.0 image tech. Let's see what else they say on the box. Not much. So let's just go and open it. So it comes in a carrying case, which I do say thank you, because brilliant. You keep everything together, and it's a good quality one as well. As you open it, you will see the cable first, which has Velcro on it, and that's the camera. Let's have a quick look around the camera. As you can see, it has LEDs as well, so probably works in the dark as well. And you have one on the side and one on the other side as well, so 3 cameras in total. Let's put this aside. You have a tool in here. Let's see what you have in there. A few bits and pieces which I'm not sure what they are for, what they are used for at the moment. I can only recognize the SIM tool card. You have the USB-A to USB-C, probably charging cable. And as you go inside, you see a manual, user manual, with all the information that you need in different languages. And that's where you find the device itself. So let's just put this on the side, and let's have a look, see how it looks like. So you have a warning in here to make sure that you insert correctly the camera. So you have a speaker on the back, a locking mechanism. Probably you need to unlock it when you plug in the camera. There's a photo kind of shutter button. You have the logo in there, and on the bottom you have some extra buttons, a menu, and okay, we'll see what all that does. I think they also give you, if I'm not wrong, they also give you a micro SD card of 32 gigabytes, where you can put probably a bigger one if you have. We'll see how much it takes, and there's a reset button in there as well. So let's connect the camera. You can see it has a USB-C port, but also a locking mechanism, so you won't be easy to remove it by accident while you're working. So I forgot, I don't have nails, and that was a bit hard to open, which is good for a Velcro. And yeah, as you can see, the cable, it's quite resistant, so it's more like a wire, so it's semi-rigid, as you can see. I'm not going to expand the whole thing because I won't probably need to use all that. But what I'll do, I'll just do this a bit, and then we'll try to slide it to different places. I actually have a hole in there, probably it's full of dust, but we'll see. So the first thing you want to do, also make sure you protect this, because that's your camera, isn't it? You don't want to scratch it. So by looking at this, it looks like it can be inserted any way. Doesn't really show any, it's not really different on any side. Let's just have another look in here. Okay, so you just have to make sure when you unplug it to press that release button. So for now, I'm gonna just try and insert it. Oh, that's it. There's the click. It's quite evident when it clicks. I was a bit afraid not to damage it. So let's see. Okay, so I assume it's charged. If not, we'll just have to pause the video and charge it. There's a power button on the side, so we just press that. Probably press and hold, and it looks like it's starting. So the first thing you have to choose is the language. And sorry, it's not a touchscreen, so you just go through this. So I'll say okay to that. It does say in here, enter the menu, switch the camera view. You have to be careful because the cable is quite rigid. It kind of holds this up as well. So in order to enter the album, you press this for 2 seconds, and view rotation, you press this button or that one, switch the camera view. Okay, we say okay to that. Long press the power button to turn the device on and off. Camera light settings, I've seen there's a button in there. Long press the button to record the video, this one, or single press to take a photo or end the video record. So you can check out this QR code for more information about the product with your phone. So there you have it. Now I'm just trying to figure out which is the front one now. So if you want to go to the sides, we'll press this button first, see what that does. Okay, you can see that rotates. Okay, so it flips the image down. If I want to use the side there, so now it's this side, so this is that side. And if I switch that again, it looks on the other side. You see how clear it is? I feel like it's definitely decent camera. When you go a bit further down, it's not focusing as good, but probably goes in enclosed spaces anyway. Oh, and I can see if you go in this mode, it shows this and that and front. So you show front and side. Now it shows this other side and the front. I feel like this other side, or whatever side is that, it's not focusing that well, but otherwise this is quite clear, the front one. So you can even go in a space like that and see what's in there, all the dust. I don't know if you can see, just inside the space now. So let's try something else, which I'm always curious. Let's see if I can make this stand in there. It's a bit hard, like I said, because the cable, it's quite rigid. So what I want to see is, like, let's see if we can go inside the speaker on the back of it. Oh, I think I've done something stupid. No, I didn't. So I always wanted to see how it looks like inside the speaker. I'm sure you also want to see that. And I'm not sure if that's flexible enough. But yeah, wow. We are inside. And that's our speaker. Let's see if we rotate, see if we can see anything else. Yeah, obviously there's not much space in that speaker, but that's pretty cool, I have to say. Yeah, I'm sold. It's really nice to have this. Look, I've never seen inside a speaker, and look at me now. Yeah, so let's see what else we can have a look. I don't really have many things like that, but I think this speaker was a good example of something that I've never seen how it looks like inside, and yeah, it's quite good. So that's how you would push this inside an enclosed space. And obviously thanks to this you can move around, and then if you press this other button you can switch, so it'll make more sense based on where you are with this. I feel like the first time I could see a bit more. I'm not sure where it went now. Maybe rotate a bit, and let's see, maybe with the front camera we see a bit more. Yeah, as you can see inside the speaker, that's the speaker itself. I don't want to go very deep because I don't want to break anything, but as you can see, when you are like that and you can't see one side, you just move to the other one and rotate, and that should help you have a better view around. Yeah, definitely brilliant. Yeah, I like that. And this is the hole that I have in my desk, and if we change it around, you can see the dust and dirt and everything. But wow, what a difference it makes, isn't it, when you have something like that. And like they said, if you wanna record, that's a photo, and you press and hold and it starts recording. So it probably takes sound as well, like it said, but I think like this is quite nice. You just get an idea of what's inside different places. If you press once, it ends the recording, and I can't really remember what they said. If you wanna press and hold, maybe you see, yeah, you get to the album, you press down and OK, and then you press OK again. I can even hear my voice. Wow guys, this is amazing. I have to say, I've never had something like this, and I'm very impressed. So yeah, now if you wanna maybe delete this, let's see how you could achieve that. So if I go menu, it gives me a few more details about the image. See, it's 720, 85 megabytes, and then you can go down and you can delete that or delete all. I'll just delete all because I don't have anything else, and this is successfully deleted. I will probably have a look if there's any screen protectors that I could buy, because obviously this could get damaged in time. It would be good to have a screen protector, but otherwise, look, it even shows the date and time. So let's go through the menu a bit. So do you know what, I'm gonna disconnect this a bit because it's a bit hard. So I'll press and hold, like they say, press and hold and then drag. That's it, easy as that. So let's see what the menu has for us. And wow, so you have the resolution. Let's see if it's different formats, or no, I think that's what it is. But surprisingly, it did a 720 on the video. So let's go down. Okay, I don't know what I've done there. How do I get back? So resolution, let's say okay, doesn't go in. Maybe this. Let's go up and down. Okay, so let's go see if the language has. So you can change the language. That's the languages you have. The time, if it's wrong, but mine it's actually wrong. Yeah, I will change it another time because probably if you shut down, it will reset again. So actually it shouldn't though. But I'll do it another time. You just get the idea. Oh well, what I'm doing here. Okay, let's do it if I'm here. Okay, and today I think it's 16 maybe. Okay, time. I don't know. That's fine. Screen brightness, you can increase it or decrease it. I'm happy with that actually. Volume, increase it, decrease it. Microphone, you can have it on or off. Auto off, so you can have it to shut down after 15 minutes. Storage, it tells you how much storage you have. You can format it if you want, or you can cancel. You can even do a system reset. And then you have product tutorials. Here is the one that you have at the beginning. So you go through them, and oh, you actually have a video tutorial as well. So let's see what we have in there. How about you if you scan the barcode? And I think that's it. After sales service, and it tells you the version of the software that you have. So yeah, guys, there you have it. If you then press and hold the power, actually one thing I didn't check, so let's just connect it back. I've noticed that they say you can turn on or off the light. So you see now he has a light. So they say if you press this button. Okay, yeah. Okay, so it might be you can increase it 2-3 times, then off. Nice. That's what we like. Very good device. So let's just take it out, press that back button and remove, and then to turn it off you press and hold the side button and it comes up like that and it's off. Yeah, guys, thank you for watching. This is the review of the DEPSTECH DS530. Brilliant endoscope. You could hear the speaker as well during the video. Yeah, so I definitely like it, and I'm gonna test it more, and I'll let you know if in case there's any issues with it. But yeah, thank you for watching this video.